Dragon's Den star Duncan Bannatyne was treated to an extravagant boat party by his wife Nigara, 42, to celebrate his 74th birthday in Miami. Duncan danced the night away on the private yacht as he was surrounded by a crowd of beautiful women. The Scot looked every inch the Miami millionaire, wearing a printed red, black and gold shirt with yellow shorts and large sunglasses. Duncan was captured living it up with a singer who serenaded him with "Happy Birthday." The father of 7 held his arms out jubilantly before squatting to the floor and shaking his hips. Later in the evening, Duncan received a lap dance from 3 stunners in matching blonde wigs and skimpy bikinis. Duncan sat on some steps as the dancers performed their sultry routine around him. Duncan's wife, whom he has been married to since 2017, shared clips of the lavish party on Instagram. She described it as an unforgettable experience and gushed that she was on cloud 9. Nigara looked incredible in a bejeweled gold bikini covered in diamantes, which she paired with a matching kimono. The Uzbek beauty also amped up the glamour with striking diamond earrings and a matching choker. In a separate post, Nigara paid tribute to her husband with a birthday message, adding, "Love you always and forever." In the snaps, Nigara sat on Duncan's lap while handing him a birthday cake in a restaurant. The mother of 1 wore a strapless black dress while she gazed lovingly at her husband, who also looked suave in a black shirt and blazer. In another caption, Nigara gushed, "The day you came into existence, the day that enabled you and me to meet, and that makes it the super special for us. Thank you my love for being always supportive, kind, mentoring me when I needed your guidance and wisdom. So much love and kindness that you bring to so many and never stop giving, spreading your love. Loving me the way you do, the best I could ever ask from God. I'm blessed and proud to be called your wife, your babe." Nigara is Duncan's 3rd wife. He previously wed Joanne McHugh in 2006 until 2013 and Gail Brodie from 1983 until 1994. He has 7 children, 4 with Gail and 2 with Joanne. Duncan is a stepdad to Nigara's daughter Gabrielle from a previous relationship. Duncan began dating Nigara in 2015 and they married in Portugal 2 years later. According to her Instagram, she is a fashion lover, travel and lifestyle vlogger.